Okay, I just want to do a quick update on the Bloom Plus BP 1000. Now what I've done is I've hung it in the corner of my dining room here for my plants, and I am quite amazed at how good it's doing. So there it is. And I just have it on the rope hangers off a ceiling hook. And one thing I like about this over the Mars Hydro is that it's just the single quantum board, but it also has a better aesthetic look to it. It's kind of an industrial chic look, whereas the Mars would look like you've got a brownie pan, an aluminum brownie pan hanging in the corner. So, you know, that is one thing to consider when you're looking at the two different lights as to which way you want to go, is where you're going to put it. If it's just in a grow room, doesn't matter. If it's in your living room, yeah, I like this Bloom Plus better. And man, my plants are so much healthier and happier since I put this on. It's amazing. Here's the one rosemary plant. Man, that'd make a great clone. That would make a great clone. That one would make a great clone. It is just, normally this time of year, it's looking sad and sick and not happy at all. Another thing I want to compare here. Here is two clones that I did. I took them at the same time. They were at the same size. This one here has been under the lights. You see how much more growth it's got, and look at down in the center here, how much growth is coming. There's lots and lots of leaves. This one here, of course, there's the petunias. I have this one sitting in my kitchen window. And the reason for that is I want to have some flowers, some nice looking stuff in my kitchen window, but I thought I'll put one clone there and one clone under the light. Now the light's only been going for roughly a month, and what a difference between the two. Although this one here's healthy and happy, this one has got a lot more growth to it. They're getting exactly the same fertilizer and everything else. So I'm quite pleased with this Bloom Plus BP 1000. Yeah, couple more days and I'm going to start my germination. So everything's going to move around. These guys here will be back to just getting what daylight comes. And of course there's my garlic chives and my regular chives down there as well. And my amaryllis bulbs. And since I put this light here, I actually have a flower spike coming on one of them, which is good. These leaves, before I put them under the light here, they were really stretching. That one leaf there is about 40 inches long. Since I put them underneath the lights, the leaves look much healthier, happier. They're a darker green rather than kind of a yellowy green, and they've quit reaching so much. Am I going to get blooms? Yeah, probably not. Maybe, you know, this one here will come. The rest won't. So these guys will go out into the garden come springtime after the last frost. Well, that's it for just a quick little update on the Bloom Plus BP 1000. I'm really quite happy with it. Anyways, that's it. Just a little quick update. Have a good one and enjoy your gardens.